Is your car in need of an oil top-up? If you've noticed the oil warning light on your dashboard, or if it's been a while since your last oil change, it might be time to check and top up your car's oil. Regular oil maintenance is crucial for the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Without sufficient oil, your engine can overheat and suffer serious damage. But don't worry, topping up your car's oil is a simple task that you can do yourself with just a few basic tools and a little bit of time. Let's get it done in just a few simple steps. You don't need to be a professional mechanic to do this. Just follow along, and you'll have it done in no time. Make sure you have your car parked on a level surface and that the engine is cool before you start. Safety first. Step 1. Pop the hood. This might seem straightforward, but every car is a bit different. Look for the hood release lever inside your car, usually located near the driver's side footwell or under the dashboard. Once you've pulled the lever, you'll need to release the secondary catch under the hood itself. And locate the oil dipstick. The dipstick is your tool for checking the oil level. It's usually located near the front of the engine and can be identified by its brightly colored handle. It usually has a bright handle. This makes it easier to spot among the other components in your engine bay. Step 2. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, and reinsert it back. This step ensures that you get an accurate reading of the current oil level. Use a clean rag or paper towel to wipe off any oil from the dipstick. Step 3. Pull the dipstick out again. This time you'll be checking the oil level. Look at the end of the dipstick to see where the oil line is, to check the oil level. There are usually 2 marks on the dipstick, a minimum and a maximum level. The oil should be between these 2 marks. If it's below the minimum mark, it's time to add more oil. Running your engine with low oil can cause significant damage, so it's important to keep it topped up. It's time for more oil. Make sure you're using the correct type of oil for your car. You can find this information in your car's owner's manual or on the oil cap itself. Step 4. Unscrew the oil cap on the engine. The oil cap is usually located on the top of the engine and is marked with an oil can symbol. It's usually marked with an oil can symbol. This makes it easy to identify. Step 5. Use a funnel to pour the oil in slowly. Pouring too quickly can cause spills and you don't want oil all over your engine. Add a little bit at a time and keep checking the dipstick to ensure you don't overfill. To ensure the level is right, the oil level should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the dipstick. Step 6. Once done, replace the oil cap. Make sure it's screwed on tightly to prevent any leaks, and close the hood securely. Double check that the hood is latched properly before you finish up. And that's it. You've successfully topped up your car's oil. Regularly checking and maintaining your oil level is a simple way to keep your car running smoothly and avoid costly repairs. You've just topped up your car's oil. Great job! Now you can drive with peace of mind knowing your engine is well lubricated and protected. Safe driving. Remember, regular maintenance is key to a long-lasting vehicle.